Art Hoffman again. We're going to be setting another record at this moment. This is actually the day after the RecordSetter Book Tour in Cincinnati. That was yesterday, October 22. Today's the following day. This is all part of the challenge world records set at the book tour. I'm optimistic altogether we're going to have at least 15. Today's record, which is occurring in Louisville, and here I am wearing my It's Possible Here t-shirt to show it's in Louisville and that this record is possible in Louisville for sure. Perhaps it'll be possible in your city too. The record is simple. Most number of cigarette packs sliced in half by a jigsaw. He doesn't need any kind of protective equipment. He trusts me. Big mistake. Right in the middle. Push. Think hard. Good. Perfect. That's one. Now you're an old champ at this. Number two. Watch your fingers. Good. Push. Number three. Coming up. Number three. Turn it upside down. Push. Number four coming up. Last one, which will make
one up a little bit. Yeah.
Make 100. Beautiful.
Sure.
We would have done this in Cincinnati yesterday, but we weren't allowed to be inside with a jigsaw. I don't know why. We had to go outside. There weren't any electric outlets. Thus, why we're in Louisville today.